guys, I'm Tega Best. This is ANS, the channel with a unique gossip. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yes. So today I want to quickly talk to Nigerians who leave their family in Nigeria, travel abroad, go to America, go to anywhere they are going to, and then abandon their wives and kids and get married to Oyibo Orobo. Orobo, Oyibo. Yes. All in the name of becoming a citizen. Yes. See, let me tell you that. First, I would say that's just being wicked and corrupt. Yeah, you are wicked. See, most Nigerians, some Nigerians, where devil's wickedness stops is where their own wickedness starts. You see, where they do their wickedness in? Satan, devil, Egdo, Yeshu, now apprentice. Yes, for their shop. They are very wicked. A man will leave his wife and kids and then go to Europe, America, Asia, anywhere, and then decide to marry them just to become a citizen. And the question is, do you really need citizenship to work? No, you don't. Yes, for those of you who don't know this now. You don't need citizenship to become a worker in any country. As far as you enter a country legally, yes, you can apply for a job and you will get it if you are qualified. But you know what? Nigerians don't want to because they are lazy. You see this citizenship they seek for, citizenship they are fighting for, getting married, denying their kids, denying their wives, for that paper. So it's not to get a job, it's just for them to be paid by the government. That's what they do. Now laziness they do them. They are lazy. They don't want to work, like I said before. Yes. See, if you enter a country legally, you will get residential permit. Once you have your residential permit, my brother, my sister, you can get a job. They will tell their wives, ignorant wives now, I say to go in and out. Citizenship doesn't take you in and out. Residential permit can take anybody in and out of any country anytime. And if your residential permit expires, you renew it. Yes, you will renew it. So why doing all of that? You are just being wicked. You go there, you deny your wife and kids because of one small girl when you are married, because of one big mama, one old cargo when you are married. Come on, get off it. Just get off it. Get off it. See, I read the story, where a man left the wife for good 9 years. He even had the guts to bring the woman back, the white woman, to the family house and ask the wife not to come to the family house. You the man, you do that one with me. Me, I will make sure I scatter that house. See, no white woman wants to be seen as, as a stupid woman. Once they know that you are fooling them, any connection they have with you will be cut off. Yes, any contract they have with you will be cut off. So any woman there, any way you can let the woman know that you are married to him, as he wants to destroy your life, you destroy his own. Just tell him, say, now me be the wife. Then waka your way. See, Nigerians, please, don't do it. Stop all these things you guys are doing. Stop it. You don't need citizenship to work. Yes, you don't need it to work. And the most annoying thing is that these men that raise shoulder to their wives in Nigeria, they go there, they can't talk. Hey, no tell me that one say they can talk. If they can talk, Why can't they tell the woman I want to marry her as a second wife? They should tell her that you are a second wife. They can't. That they have kids. They can't. You know why? Because they are boy. Yes, you now that left your wife to marry Oyibo because of citizenship. You are a boy. Yes, na be dey talk am. Say me take her best. You stupid useless man and so on. You are a boy. Yes. See, to me you are just useless. See, any woman out there, once you found out your husband travel out and he's abandoning you to marry one woman, you just to get paper. See, just leave him. He's useless. Leave him. You know, just leave him. He doesn't want you. He's useless. I beg. There are boys there. So who wants a boy? Nobody wants a boy now. Leave him. Make it they do a boy there. See, I beg. See, I will end my approach here. Beg you end your stupidity here. See, citizenship doesn't give you job. That if you enter a country legally, like I've said before, you have residential permit. You don't need to get married to get residential permit. Now they let you enter their country, they go still give you residential permit. And when you expire, you will renew them. So please, stop denying your family because of somebody. You are degrading yourself. You are degrading us. They go dey see us like say we want nothing. Please, I dey beg una. You stop your mumu there. Me, I end my approach here. I still remain Tiga Best, and this is ANS signing out.